here, just like I said, though it's breaking every rule I've ever made. My racing heart is just the same. Why make it strong to break it once again? And I'd love to say I do, give everything to you, but I can never now be true. So I say, think I better leave right now before I fall any deeper. I think I better leave right now, feeling weaker and weaker. Somebody better show me how before I fall any deeper. I think I better leave right now. I'm here, so please explain why you're opening up a healing wound again. I'm a little more careful, perhaps it shows, but if I lose the highs, at least I'm spared the lows. And I would trample in your arms. What could be the harm to feel my spirit calm? So I say, I think I better leave right now before I fall any deeper. I think I better leave right now, feeling weaker and weaker. Somebody better show me out before I fall any deeper. I think I better leave right now. I wouldn't know how to say how good it feels seeing you today. I see you've got your smile back, like you say you're right on track, but you may never know why. Once bitten, twice is shy. If I'm proud, perhaps I should explain. I couldn't bear to lose you again. Think I better leave right now before I fall any deeper. I think I better leave right now. I'm feeling weaker and weaker. Somebody better show me out before I fall any deeper. I think I better leave right now. Yes, I will. Think I better leave right now. I'm feeling weaker and weaker. Somebody better show me out before I fall any deeper. I think I better leave right now.
Yeah, we're on.
I would like to leave this city. This old town don't smell too pretty, and I can feel the warning signs running around my mind. And when I leave this island, I book myself into a soul asylum, 'cause I can feel the warning signs running around my mind. So here I go, still scratching around